Guys, I've got quite a few requests about the sound that the Ping Sydney is making at impact, being an aluminum putter. People are asking, is it a real high-pitched sound or a low thud? So we thought we'd do a quick test here and hit two golf balls, and you guys can determine for yourself what you think of the sound. There's one. There's two. What I'm finding is it's a little deeper than expected and something that really adds to the full impact feel that it's giving off. It's a putter so far that's impressing us quite a bit. We wanted to share a little quick video with you.